Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you where you can easily find this serial number in your Samsung Buds3 FE. Let me turn on my flashlight quickly, and now as you can see, here we do have a couple of text, piece of text actually, which is very small. Let me quickly zoom it in, maybe not that much because we don't have a focus right now. And here, as you can see, we do have this unfortunately blurred text. So let me unzoom yet. And now, as you can see, this serial number is right here. Wait a moment. Here, it's here, this piece of text. I can't really show you this because it's blurred, but it is right here. We do have the S/N, and this piece of text right here. I'll try zoom it in further. Maybe it will come through somehow. No, I can't. So yeah, actually, yeah, but our serial number is right here. This small piece of text. You can easily take, for example, your phone and check it using the macro mode. Let me, for example, take my iPhone, zoom it in right here, and turn on flashlight on. For example, so that you can see it. Let me take a photo. And now, as you can see, this number is our serial number. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.